Is it?
YAHWEH production. Director Africa presents Sangamada Dilayo mi bonami Onipa kai wachi Nami ni mwebushi asena wadono enkunkozi Say no crack sa tinkai Nyamu ya minti munkai na munyai Semre mi bai Nami ya mojefo munkai na munyami Say kaya kuko di diyo di na nwa juju fam Mama na mekhe oda seninti Ena diya misukom na munyai Oh why me Ena diya mi yesen no matai Danso mi diya mi nimse Abuwa wani diya nyamina ne prano Mise na diya mi yesen no matai Danso mi diya mi nimse Abuwa wani diya nyamina ne prano
What's going on?
What are you doing here?
What? Do I owe you money?
Young lady, excuse me, who are you? Why?
What man do I owe you?
I don't understand.
I'll meet you at home.
No, wait, what's it? Where are you going?
I said we'll meet at home.
I see you with a different lady. I'm asking you and you're just walking over me. Why?
Come. What man?
She
Do I
called
owe
you
you?
babe.
What man do I owe you, man? Do you want to see the other side of me, or you just go home and wait for me?
She called you babe. How is he? Why? How? How is he? What is happening here? Why? How is he?
What can I do for you? I told you to go home. You
I
reached at
can't
home.
go home. We have to talk. I don't understand what's she doing in your car. What is she doing in your car?
What man? Don't test my patience. If you run out of patience, you see what you do.
Oh, then you have to run out of patience because I won't allow this. This can't happen. You're not going anywhere. How could you?
Well,
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. The lion. Have a seat. Is this real? Like, did he really walk over me? Wow. Okay. Excuse me, young woman. I came to warn you. And listen good. If you know what is best for you, let this be your first and last time for me to see you walking with Akwesin Kroma. Do you understand?
Hey, excuse me, don't lady. Who are you?
Who am I? Oh really? You care to know who I am? Okay, let me tell you. I am Akwesin's fiancé. In fact, his wife to be. So if you don't want to have any problem with me, you stay off. Is that okay?
Are you okay? Are you alright?
Oh, maybe you don't see me well. I'm very well.
Including your boyfriend going to me, mama, and my mama warning. Then to say, excuse me, and then me call them out. You see, all of your way, what drive you to come and warn me? For what reason?
Do you know what? My bambe warn no because say yeah, be my who and say you, but may warn you because you are too cheap. What for do? Also the whole time. And besides, you are classless. And I don't expect to me a question. I don't see what he sees in you. I don't even know.
Wow.
I mean,
like special like you.
Oh yes.
And now boy, it's me cheating on you. And now you're special. You're not a special.
Hey, I'm going to now. Yeah, it's not me about hono. Or no, deal with him.
Wow.
I've dealt with him already. and I'm here to warn you. I don't have time to banter words with you. So please, just get it. Stay off him. Is that okay? Excuse me.
The lion.
Get out! Who me say? I'm our girlfriend or so whatever. Bahaba did the matter. If you are meeting me, who was like a beard. Sorry, I'm meeting me. Because she means are crash if you are oh, me your beam. And mammy won't be the next moment won't be. Let me be your own pet. Go. Catching, you know, I'm a no one can some be. Come.
Hold on, Casan me.
One am no casa.
Who are the own?
One did not have him come.
Who are the own? Tell me who am I? Yes, soft man into no face. I'm too soft for you to, trample on. Who are the own? Who dear me? To me, no, that's it. So me shirt mu a woman to say crack to her. Who say who to me? Who to me? Me mentally. Now apartment now, Tim. Do you know who rented the apartment for you? Do you remember? You forgot who rented the apartment.
It's so hot.
Me so what? I tell pack up at the to gate. Pack on your staffs no media. I'll make sure say everyone the pound come round and that locks not changing. You will come back and looking for me. Me say man ko for boo. Me mo match wash your pa boo. Me mo boo the more drain. Ni penny kasa next time you learn sense. Up or down. Fucking girl. You come and go to that. Come on, come from here. Fucking girl. Up or down.
Hi, babe. Hey, babe. What are you doing, babe?
Hey, careful my face. Up or down. Not to pull you. Then I'm renting man. What do you mean? What do you mean by my case I run from? You don't see me.
Now your girlfriend, babe.
Fucking girl. I'll pick you from the gutters. I take you to boutique. I finish you. You won't be German man. I will push you. You have the touch my shirt. Fucking girl. My child. You can't be me who by me both working. Fucking girl. Abla, what sort of rubbish is that? What man? I didn't say who now here is Hano.
Why? What's your problem?
Let me give you your first and last warning. Adao be whom you obey sound kwasasemi bi na dia me no, you will never like it. What did they make a chow? What did they make a chow?
See, now some about we are so boofy. I thought say lady know your girlfriend and Abibi, so I had to find out.
So you thought so I am a girlfriend until you need to find out. Since when do you start checking me up? Since when now started to be my PA, running around to check who is my girlfriend or who is not my girlfriend? Since when?
Okay, so am I not your fiancé?
So what?
If me who's on your back friend, what's wrong with me? Say me approach you and Abibi.
Oh, you're my fiancé. So you have every right. Say no, you have to interfere, right? Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Abner, be careful. What man? But when your first and last warning. Adame who sa kwani su biem no adame yo no you will never like.
I don't. Now okay so queen.
Me call you say. I said
what bad? It's not say na yen sort things out. But lady and cry wo hon ma me serve.
What why aduane say wo baba serve me. Now person me do aduane na obe put that kind of behavior no. Obe say me do aduane na obe put that kind of behavior no.
Ode wait. It's okay. Me apoche. This is no issue. Well, would they be now both? You can come me beside we are sending.
Say can you man come me busao?
Hey! No, wait! Don't do this, eh?
Now person me day.
Don't. Christina, why are you doing this?
Makacho, be careful.
Awasi. Awasi. Like, really? Am I dreaming or something? With Jamie Hoko just because this is no issue.
Is it?
YAHWEH movie production.
What's it?
Director Africa presents Sangamada Dilayomi Bonami Kuripa Kai Wachi Namini Muebusia Sena Odono Enkonkozi Say no crack Sasan Tinkai Nyamuya Minti Munkai Namunya Semina Bai Nami Yamuja
What's that?
Take it easy, okay?
Timonio. It's a focus them Timonio.
To our question.
Come on. Listen up.
Hey, you say? Take it.
I'm so sorry. Oh.
Hey. I'm sure I said, that be full coach on check. Forget about this. Okay. Careful. See, I don't think movie. Oh, when the man will suffer,
What's ma? Dr. Tunche, but not to the classroom. Oh, what are we
yeah, doctor.
What are the research? What?
Don't you want should make you mind forget about Kwesi. Why? No home on baby. What? You are never caught. What?
Oh, hey. Study the piano. I did some piano. I started with that. That's it. Sure. So I'm out to swim. I'm the Asha Korea. Come in, Kwan. Come here, day. Oh, let me show. Let me show.
Yeah, me. On the same year, the Abuan, me, I mean, so.
I'm poor, but immediately my crow.
Angela,
my dear back.
what are you doing here? Mommy, why are you there? What do you want? What's up, baby? Feel my birthday.
What's man? Come up to him. What him a dear are you?
Mommy, I'm a
For the
I don't
past
need
week,
this guy.
my dear, your fiancé. Enyame na dumarakwa. And as I say, what be kasa say. What do you want go through? I don't even name me go through. And yet, Dr. Fukua, I can why?
Mommy,
So I sit there, my Dr. Fukua. What's it?
it's
Now, Sebema, a damage. And you show no what or that one. Who was questions?
now, Mommy, you be wait. My question away.
Would you ever?
I question come.
I never see. A question. Or no. Some a catch you. Fit it say, oh no. Or bar for purpose. And then for your information. Or worry. 2 weeks time invitation. I spread the baby. Yeah.
Mommy,
Oh, yes.
I will see it.
Akwasi your wedding.
How?
2 weeks time.
How?
You do have a
Mommy, when you shot on kick and be an away, would you mean so many pounds and since quite be a fast way be a bay? Oh,
issue, you know, Senka. Mother and daughter issue. Well, send me them. Prince who can a blog and the mammy coming who eat. Just say. Intinya dear, a secret then. Oh, media and so baby. But I was thinking on Facebook. I'm going to down.
That's all Falco. On Falco.
what is a boom a year now?
I'd rather blacklist.
2 weeks time. Don't worry.
What
man? Remember that self. I dear year wo fiase no. Na yare ade bi ese ye nipa wie a ye fan kai mo. I dear year wo video mu ya. Abrante na timi etu na nsia one day kra. E na mo no so e na we are ye. Menim de okoko hu ye. Adam nim de odi ye wo. Wo fra ponte ba na kasa kasa. Broken heart I go through no. Wo
What's my name? Right from beginning, I made you know, say, I love you so much. And I'll go to any extent to help you. Just say, because when a man come any opportunity to get access to you. So I just say, I could see issue need there. Drop it right now. What I say. Now I'm focusing on the future. There are better things and better days ahead of us. And you need to go for it. Do you get what I'm saying? Forget about Kwesi. I'm always there for you. Please.
I was done as who did me as first, secondly, you know. Now I said that also me summary.
Mommy, to say I worry. Oh, worry and answer then.
The say Kwasi 2 weeks to come no. Oh yeah, engagement. What was a sign of white wedding? Invitation as per the baby. And me and I make a idea. Oh yeah.
I posted on my Facebook account. The TikTok was our future TV. Oh, the other can be a secret thing. I'm not that one. I'm not like a cancel control YAHWEH. YAHWEH TV. Oh, just so I'll blog it. I don't know because I prince you in the Juma Swing. Prince you say, I'll not prince you as have a pair from me. What I say, Apam.
And I think it's one. Hey, never fork you. I mean, so, doctor. I mean, so. I dear why you say me a broom in tears, yes. Hey, and your war, and come in bay, and can so on what ma, so what dear. And near man, I meet to be any point, I mean, first to the end near ma. You catch there, woo, me see, particularly I will see if you as a pet, and I come, it's all them. I must say yes. Must see. Ne film pade ba ko ne me ba and wo be fiase. That's the priority. And name oye wa jojo wonsamfo ka kire wa atantane mo ye kire onyina chi. Wa ba mu amu wa papa. Wo say still. Sa flower na betu fiase. Ata flowers be pray. E wo around neighborhood ase. Nyame shira wate. Nyame ontra wa shim.
Amen.
Nyame onye okese.
Amen. Cash.
Ese nkwa ngodi wo mo bring na.
Was
Hwe post na word no. Nyame osa e ma nkosoro. Nkosoro ko so be pem.
Amen.
Isa so yidi papa.
That's
so for you.
Yes.
Oh, medal ma papa si passe o mo do ba asase so. Nyame de fa mo so o do ba asase so. What ma?
Mommy.
Tell me e pa wati. So se kiki enko e bia. Na me ku. Ba ma wonya, it is me am de me ho a. Ye ba be ya ho ade ma me nya nyi ntu bukra. O se me ku no. Wo kasa be se me ku no. My husband. So. Is akwasi nyo ku bi o.
Mommy.
Is this a groma?
Mommy.
Is this a groma?
Mommy, so I do. Oh, yeah.
Groma, this is.
See, I was here 2023.
Angela.
I'm patcho kakam is mechanic say, Medasi. You be no be in your ye. Me ba no je me feso. Nti aseda kese no se wo amma me kwan a ka de na comment mi anye. The first of all no me da se na me sure say uji mu fi abra na wonnim me. Na me nso na mso mama ye ade a eso ani nso ama. Ba me nyam panche abusua no. San so ba na ma ya ama no. So hu e fim pade fa ba pa. It's me da se pa.
Oh,
Mommy.
yes, darling.
It's my person make a kakar.
Maternity.
Angelo.
Hello.
You did my first up when you so. As you say, you can't be a middle fast, so I shall see Nibiano. Or the betcha me. And say, Nipa day, sometimes Bibia or the entire man taking the cool. I didn't know, say, be a BBC, but a yes, mean to me, Papa, and yes, but then, still no mistress will be here through. I fear should be winning. Why with the Mr. Wa? Zai be a man.
Oh, the Yamanaka cried that. If you are son, the papa be it's not easy to come by. Say, at Papa, oh, yeah, I know sacre. And I am with the Africans, in your buttery. Near Russia for be and something precious is waiting for you somewhere. Near the name of BH, and then they know to me who yanka. So, some knows them to send a can be a. Ah, I'm pressing. Say any pound tears a crowd and can Jacob so mammy. In tea, my say, dear tree in a vampire last.
Hey, doctor. Hey, doctor, for this. Sometimes we are choosing me there now.
You shouldn't me pay them near the uncle.
Them to know quiet this awful balance. We so full shoe nation.
Some pan work because the near any be and who Brazil in the Bia Sopia. So for dear.
So before.
Now they know me crying say, the microman school, send come a mess of. Now say, mammy, or back up and the men qua. No, mammy said Debbie. Yes, sir, Melina Gino. And standing tea. Okay, against it. Let me co invest now.
I was saying, I
think I'm a Roman father.
Eh, thank you,
yes,
Father Angela.
Say, man, young
one.
My young one years of this a doctor. But this most important time was making me choose. Some say, if I see the thing I want, I see it. I want you to be the mother of my children. I mean, my wife. So what do you think?
Angelo.
Yes.
Right now, no, who say we are getting along.
Yeah,
I've
sure.
gotten to know say you're a nice person and all that. Listen, I can't really dispose your proposal now, baby. I'm ready for you.
You're ready for me?
Yes.
You make me the happiest man in the world. Get up, guys. So then, I'll come to your mom and see the necessary thing to do. Do you understand me?
Sure.
So let's put that one aside. Let me teach you how to love. Do you understand? Just give it to me.
Is it?
YAHWEH movie production.
Say.
Director Africa presents Sangama.